Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Today we have Autel Mini. This is, they call it 100 or something like that. It's coming Autel with a camera and you have a lot of functions. This one, you can use it as the key itself. You can generate, this one it become like a key itself, and you can put it next to the ignition and start the car. Okay, in case you want to generate a key. It will generate a key and keep the information here. This is a piece there, and I have Transit 2015. I need to add a key. The car was here, we're servicing the car, and suddenly the original key locked in the door. I called the customer, he don't have a key. This is spare key aftermarket, is still working. You see how the cuts are? It's beautiful, clean. So I'm gonna put this one here, and I will. You have two things. You can go, as soon as you plug it in, you're gonna see here it become green. This green here, that means the Bluetooth there is okay. You see that Bluetooth is good. So the first thing I need to do, just to go to make it faster, just click here on the VIN, auto VIN. Read the VIN automatically, especially if you want to add a key. An ignition key is there. So this is the function number one on this car, how to use it. So you see now I have everything there. You say okay, it will break it down for you. They call it VIN decoding, and this is lesson number one. You see US, and then say okay, yes. If you want to save it, okay. If not, now you're gonna go to emo scan. Or if you are in a hurry, you want to just go to this one. If you want to know how many keys in the system, is there any way you can make more keys or not? So you see here I have codes. So for example, and in the bottom here you have options like add a key, emo vehicle information, or this vehicle information, where is the key located, the immobilizer, and all this, like here you can give you some information. But let me go to read the codes. I want to read the codes. Let me see here. You're supposed to open all the codes that you have, diagnosed codes in the car, whatever you have in the car. So you want to delete it, erase the code. It can erase all the code for you. Turn the ignition on and off. Say yes, ignition on, engine off, erase all the code. If all the code erased, it's gonna go away. No code presence. You see now it's blue. I have another code here, is green. You see another code in the body control module. If there is a code, you will see it here. If there is no code, you see here, those are the body control module. Front wiper, system voltage, all this. Also, I'm going to erase it. Yes. Yes. It's going to erase all this. Say okay. So now one will never go for the tire pressure. This for the tire pressure. Never go away. Escape again. Now I am going back. I'm going to go here in the bottom. Add a key. Take original key into the car, vehicle, and start the car. I'm going to take this one here. I start the car. This is Transit 14 to 19, I believe. So checking the vehicle statue. This is the tire pressure. Code is there. Okay, what is it say now? So now let me try to do this one. I'm gonna put non-programming and I will start. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Start. They say if the factory alarm is on, you cannot do nothing. So okay. This will not erase the existing key. Notice the normal Storm will be black. Insert the key to be learned. Turn the ignition on. So now one is success. Now we're gonna go to the next success. You see, let's do it at the key. Maybe it take less than 15 seconds. He says 3 to 10 minutes. I believe this is called Ak100 or something. I try with the same video. You see there, something happened. It's an airbag fault. Hold on, please. You see now we have 4 keys. The car have 4 keys, maybe. I don't know what you say. Okay. Now you're gonna add the key. Now he changed to 5 keys. You want to learn another key? I say no. And 5 success. Perfect. Now you want to escape? Escape. You want to know more things? Emo learning. This if you want to learn remote or can, I want to know what it is. Number of the key. There is nothing to do here. Or add a key, but you cannot do all kilos. All kilos, I believe, is no more. Just want to know how many keys there. 5 keys. Okay. I have one thing to know. Am I going to be able to do all kilos? Sorry, the noise is very bad. Okay, let me escape here. You see now, Ford took away the license for all kilos. Only add a key, but you cannot do all kilos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you. Oh, I did not start the car. I'm gonna do it one more.